Hi, my name is Robin. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Test Zeus. At Test Zeus, we reduce the number of sleepless nights you get because of testing your Salesforce implementations using the power of AI agents. So in this quick demo, we'll see how you can go from requirements to test cases to results in minutes, not days or weeks. Let's go. Generally, testing and automating test cases for Salesforce have been long, technical, and tedious. And even if you've written all the test cases, automated them, lo and behold, after the Salesforce release, now you have to maintain the test cases. But that is exactly where systems like us come into picture. And by the power of AI agents, Test Zeus helps you to go from requirements to automated test cases and results in minutes. So let's see that as an example. Over here, I am on my dashboard, but the fun part really begins with test data. I can write test data, which are generally the heart and soul of good test cases, or you can also interestingly upload your requirements. These could be PRDs, FRDs, PRDs, and even images and video files. You can literally upload your product manual or product walkthrough video. And using that data, our AI agents will create the test cases for you, not only multiplying the test coverage, but also multiplying the testing efficiency. So let's say we uploaded the requirements here. Once I go inside the test cases and let me go inside an existing test case, I can just click this blue button, which we lovingly call as the magic test, and enter a small prompt, something like create negative tests for the account creation process. Select how many spaces I want and then click on the generate button. Our agents are right now crunching all that test data that you uploaded and creating test suggestions for you. This is how those test suggestions will look like. I can just append them to my editor, which is an AI powered notepad. In simple terms, I can type out the test cases in natural language over here. I can just say account creation using bad phone number as an example. So as you can see, there are these three things happening here. One is that all the test cases are in natural language. Second, based on the prompt that I had given, our agent is also recommending you test cases. If you press tab, those recommendations are accepted. And third, since it is all natural language, you don't have to write any code. You can just tell the agent to create an account, just like that. So once you've written the test case, if I click on live test, our agent will run this test case on the browser itself. And that's the other interesting part. We can do UI, API, accessibility, security, visual validations, and even agent force testing on the platform. You don't have to write any code. You can write tests in natural language and in any language. Earlier this year, somebody wrote Japanese test cases and they ran just like that. So once the test case is written and you hit the live test button, our agent will actually open the browser and live stream its browser to you. Over here, as we can see, it is trying to perform the login on Salesforce and run the test cases as per the instructions. So we told it to go create an account. It will do the login, it will create the account, and then say that is the account successfully created or not. Once the test case is run, you can look at all the existing test runs in the test run section and also find all the details and the actions which the agent took. For example, here it was entering the last name on the UI. Not only do you see all the steps, you also get to see all the screenshots from that interaction. So here it was entering the account name as an example. Not only do you get the images, you also get the videos. Let me refresh the video pane from the live stream because sometimes, as you know, network latency could actually be a pain. As we can see, the video has come back and loaded for us. So this is literally our agent doing the actions and we are recording that whole journey as a video so that you can quickly look at that. You can also scrub through the whole execution, but not just the video and image artifacts. You get all the network calls back and forth as well so that you can file a bug or even look at the traceability of that issue. After that, you can also run multiple test cases in one shot. So, for example, not only can we run just one test case, we can run up to 30 test cases in parallel. And here, for example, I ran 5 of those. As we can see, once the test cases are run, you get a snapshot of how many passed, how many failed. But then you also get the consolidated AI analysis from that execution. You see the common patterns, the paths taken by the agent, and also the identified issues. So this is a quick executive snapshot we provide for every test suite execution. But if you want to double click on the test results, you can go into them as well. All of this can be downloaded as a PDF, or it could also be emailed to the right stakeholders from the notifications feature. So that is how we went from requirements to test cases, which are automated in natural language, to results in minutes, not weeks. See you on the other side. Thank you.